The Filipino word bigla, which means suddenly in English, bigla. Bigla. Bigla kaming kinabahan sa narinig namin. We suddenly felt nervous from what we heard. Bigla is suddenly kami is like us, and then or we. Kinabahan is like nervous, kaba, and then rinig is like heard. Namin is like we as well. So bigla kaming kinabahan sa narinig namin. Bigla siyang nag-iba ng isip. He or she suddenly changed his or her mind. Bigla is suddenly, siya is he or she. Iba means like change, nag-iba. And then isip is like the thinking or mind. So bigla siyang nag-iba ng isip. Bigla na lang silang umalis sa gitna ng programa. They suddenly left in the middle of the program. Bigla is suddenly, sila is they. Alis means to leave. Gitna is the middle, and then a programa is a program. Bigla na lang silang umalis sa gitna ng programa. Bigla siyang napalingon sa likuran. He or she suddenly looked back. Bigla is suddenly, siya is he or she, it's gender neutral. To make lingon means to like look back, and then likuran is like the back. So bigla siyang napalingon sa likuran. That is all for our Filipino word bigla, which means suddenly in English. Bigla. Bigla.